Hello everyone and welcome to Friendly Advice again. Today I'm going to be doing a review of food processor by Hamilton Beach. I have been using this for last few years. I'm very happy with it. I use it a lot to grate carrots, radish, and also slice feature. So I'm very happy with the product, and today I'm just gonna quickly show you how I grate radish in there. I use that for salads or to make some stuffed roti in there as well, okay? So I'm gonna show you that. Thank you. So this is the Hamilton Beach food processor I've bought. It's not very expensive, but it's very good quality. It has this plate of grating, which is very easy to install. So very easy, and there's something to hold so you don't cut your fingers. Okay, so there's big holes there that you can use to hold and pull it up and down. For grating, I usually want my fine grating, so I also use this chopper in there just to make my grate even more finer, and then I just load it. But if you don't want fine grating, you don't have to use it. Very easy to install. So that's it. I put this, there's a jug here, very large, so I just install it, and then I have this top which you just basically push it in, and there are these clips that you use to close it. And here to put the vegetables or whatever you're grating, there's two settings. So you can put it in here, and you need to close it for it to work. Or there's a little round hole as well, which you can use for smaller grating vegetables. So I've peeled my radish, white radish right here. That's all I did. And it will just literally take me a couple of seconds for me to grate it. So I open up the big jar. I put the product in there, right there. So I put the radish, and all I do is push it. I press here you have the button of shredding. I press that, and I just push it. Very easy, very easy. Literally it takes you 2-3 seconds. Okay, so as you can see, the jar is full with the one radish that I have grated. Just gonna open it up and show you how good the grater is. There is maybe very little leftovers. As you can see, it does an excellent job of grating. And then if there's some big chunks, you can always chop it up later, but mostly it's all grated really well, as you can see. Look, so I highly recommend this for grating anything, or even for food processing, like, you know, chopping, slicing. It's an excellent one. So thanks for watching. This is an excellent product that you want to have in your kitchen to save you time in chopping and shredding or slicing or anything. Please do subscribe to my channel and send me any comments or questions you might have. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.